I don't know if you can really see the sleet falling as much as you can hear it. Sounds horrible. And if I point at the street light there a little, you can see the ice starting to build up on the wires, so that's not good. I wish the snow that's about 10-20 miles north of us would head back this way. As you can see, that's just a sheet of ice now. Like my little patio here is covered. And believe it or not, I've just stepped out. Oh, yeah, you can still see a footprint. But most of my footprints going to the car from earlier today are just gone. Ooh, sorry. It is getting cold out here. Let me get back in my warm, cozy house. And let me hope that that's all the ice that we get on the trees and the power lines. I hope this stuff is hard enough that it just falls, and rather than sticking to the trees and the lines.